Okay, this is the new AD4 PRO. How I get into cartons from dealing with lots of heavy ones is actually in through the backside. So I've just found that that way you're not reaching in and having a difficult lift out. So this will, once it starts, now the carton can be opened from underneath and simply rocked over, last thing taken off, and instead of squeezing your hands down, you now have it out without doing your back in. So as you can see now, I've got plenty of space, so I've not squeezed with my hands down the side. If need be, again for weight, if you have issues, you can gently rock over, slide stuff off, get that out of the way, and we shall now stand up and have a look at our AD4 PRO. As usual, there's a toolkit. There's also another nozzle in there, and a very nice looking smooth plate. That is going to make a huge difference on the bottom of prints. That will be certainly much better. So next is, of course, the filament, burnt titanium. What a wonderful choice. And we're now at the stage of being able, there's already a nozzle in there, so basically it's power on. It looks very similar to the AD4, although we can see the bottom nozzle difference. So we'll shortly power it up and run you through the next part of the process, but that's how easy it is to unpack. Some changes from the original AD4, and this is easy to miss. This is very much the same, but pull this off and there's a caution tag, remove before first use. So that's got to come out, which isn't hard, but where it is, it's easy to miss. So I think that yellow tag could be a little bit longer to hang down to make it more easy to see. Okay, so that's got that part done. Looking at it from the top, we can see that there's now a clip to hold the PTFE tube to the ribbon cable, which is a good idea. And inside, this plate is a smooth plate where, yes, I love that sort of thing. And PTEG on that side. Now the smooth plate side, I can certainly see the edge. It is a sticker. The other side, I do not know if it's bare metal or not. It looks like it may just be treated metal. So that is the main difference in the sheet. The main difference in the printer, and the magnetic grip on this thing is damn good, which is good. Now we will power it up for the first time and we can have a look at the display. So powering it up now that we've got all the packing out of it. AD4 PRO. Okay, the familiar tune. If we go into settings, second page of settings, about, that will tell you it's had 4 hours, so it's been tested, of course, and that's pretty much it. The menu looks very much the same, so we'll stop now and load filament and get ready to actually test it, and we'll put the AD4 alongside so that we can compare the two. This is the newer sensor with all the levelling and all that. Looking at it fundamentally, yes, it's quite different, certainly improved, but I believe there's a possibility that if there's enough demand, they might release a kit to fit the same sort of level 1 bed sensing to the original AD4, which if they do, it's good. I can't speak on behalf of the company, but looking at the physical mounts, there's not enough change to suggest that the parts could not be swapped over, and it's a question if the software would support it. Anyway, so this is the head of this, we'll show you the other. And this is the original Adventurer 4. So as you can see, the mounting system and all that is the same, so who knows, we'll see what the future holds, but it's obviously a good enough design to work for the high speed as well as the standard design, so a good design printer in the first place, and now they've been able to offer you some speed improvements.